Today is Monday. It is the beginning of week 4. So the plan for this week is we are going to be installing windows. We're gonna have the termite guy tint the house for 3 days. We are demoing the tile in the kitchen and the dining room. And then we are going to sand on Friday and then start painting. So it's going to be a very, very busy week for us. But I think now we're gonna see a lot of changes because it's now the cosmetic changes. So I will do a quick walkthrough of the house and show you what it looks like right now and show you a little bit later when the windows are installed. But I'm so excited because now I can actually start seeing my vision come together. So keep on watching. So we are going to be demoing this flooring here. You can see art has already started. He has his power tools out. Taking up the tile. Okay everyone, so it is the end of the day. I'm a sweaty mess. I'm like literally dripping in sweat, but we finished demoing the kitchen and the dining room. So we took up all of the flooring, all of the tile that was in the dining room and the living room, or dining room and kitchen. And the windows are in. The windows look amazing, all nice and new and white. So I will show you that, and then I will show you what we demoed. But I am exhausted. I cannot wait to go home and shower. So the next 3 days, we're gonna have it tinted, so we will not be in doing any work. Hopefully when we get back on Friday, we will prep everything for paint. So that is the plan. Keep on watching. So much work, but worth it. So the windows are in. The window sills were taken off. I did not personally like those. So you can see brand new windows. And all of the bedroom windows have been replaced. I didn't do the rest of the windows in the house yet because it's just too expensive to do them all at once. So I started with the bedrooms, and then I'll move on to the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room, and the bathroom. But gotta do it in phases. It's just way too expensive. But as you can see, we took up all the tile and like the 5 layers of laminate or linoleum flooring that they had on here. So we'll probably have to patch this area, dig up and cut up all that wood. Looks like they had a leak, or the refrigerator might have been here and was leaking. So we're just gonna replace this whole area right there. But that is it. It is starting to look a little bit better, but still so much work that needs to be done. Hello everyone. So today is the morning of Friday, and we just got back into the house. So it was tinted 3 days. So we are back in right now to try and do some more work. Probably will work today, tomorrow, and maybe Sunday because we lost the 3 days during the week. So today the plan is to take a lot of the window and the door casings off, and then also clean up as much as possible so we can prep it for paint. And then I'm having the contractors install the mini splits right now. So they're basically tearing up all the walls. So I will show you that, give you a little preview of where we are in the process right now, and then I will give you an update later on today. All right, so it is the end of the week, end of Friday, and I wanted to give you guys an update on everything that we've done today. So it's been a week. All right. So the contractor has installed the units and opened up all of these walls. So we're gonna have to patch that next week, as you can see. And then over here, they have opened up and installed this unit as well. So the majority of the work we've been doing is just trying to clean up everything and then take off all of the door casings, wall seals or casings, the trim around the doors and the trim around the windows. And prepare mud, but just really prepare everything for painting. That is the goal. So, as I said, it just doesn't seem like we're making much progress, but we are definitely making a lot of progress. So next week, I'm sure that's when a lot of the cosmetic changes will be seen. But this is what it currently looks like right now. We took the light fixture out so we could mud around that. And then we took the medicine cabinet out so we can mud around that. But the bathroom just looks dirty and disgusting.